Marketing at Aberystwyth combines a range of different subject areas, and we cover a lot of the traditional aspects of marketing, but we also look at more of the new emerging issues such as information technology, how we use information, big data, and also digital technologies and how those are incorporated into marketing. Well, the single honours course is a 3-year programme, and it's delivered on a modular basis, so students would normally take about 6 modules every year. Students do also have the option of studying marketing with another subject or with a language, and if they do that with a language, then they can take a year abroad where they travel to another country to improve their language skills. Alternatively, students also have the option of turning their 3-year programme into a 4-year programme where they can take a year out to work in industry and then return for their 4th year. The course covers subjects including marketing principles, setting the foundations of marketing. We look at some case studies in marketing, we look at strategic marketing, digital marketing, international aspects of marketing. We look at research methods, and we also have students in their final year completing a dissertation module where their degree sort of culminates in the production of a research project that students carry out for themselves. The course is taught through a combination of lectures, seminars, tutorials and workshops. So lectures tend to be larger groups of students and the seminars tend to be much smaller, so we're looking at class sizes of around 10 to 12 students in our seminars and workshops. We also try and bring in a range of guest speakers, so we have people working in industry who come in and talk to students, and we also have some field trips being developed as well. Marketing at Aberystwyth is unique because we have a range of staff, and the backgrounds of our staff are very diverse. So we have a combined experience of over 60 years of working in industry, and we bring a lot of that practitioner focus into our teaching. Aberystwyth University, being a research-led university, also means that a lot of our staff are involved actively in conducting research, and so that research knowledge is brought into our teaching as well. We also like to make our classes as interactive as possible, so the incorporation of workshops, and we use a lot of different technology, so we have students using computers and tablets and so on during classes, during lectures, so that we can make learning as fun and engaging as possible. Well, Aberystwyth University is a research-led university, so a lot of our teaching is informed by research and by current trends and developments in research. We also have over 60 years of combined industry experience in the backgrounds of our staff who are delivering marketing modules at Aberystwyth, and that experience comes in industries such as public relations, social media, digital advertising, web analytics, search engine optimization and so on, supply chain and logistics management. So we have a lot of expertise from industry that we bring into our teaching. In addition to that, our degrees are also accredited by the Chartered Institute of Marketers, and all students who complete a marketing degree at Aberystwyth are eligible for the maximum 50% accreditation available from the CIM upon completion of their degree. Aberystwyth is a great town. It's very much a university town. It's small, it's very friendly. The university has a great reputation with the townspeople and the shop and business owners. You'll constantly see other students and your lecturers in the high street on the weekends, after university, in the evenings and so on. The climate is great, living by the sea. It's lots of fun, and the students are always out enjoying themselves.